Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the crude oil market. The crude oil market, we are suggesting that trading outside the, you can say, H4 trend channel, and clearly trading outside this H4 trend channel in the previous days. And yesterday we are suggesting that unless the market is holding above this EMA 50, it have ability to go toward the 94.50 level. So market is now near that our target and almost hitting the target of 94.50. So we suggest still the buying opportunity for the buyers if the market takes some pullback. So it almost complete the pullback of, you can see, some pips, and it gives the buying opportunity up to the 94.560 level, and maybe break that level today because the market is going higher, making higher and higher. And if any retracement come below the 92 level, then it is almost a buying opportunity. My suggestion is that unless the market is holding above the 92 level, you will take the buying opportunity up to the 94.560 level, and if the market intersect and break that level, then your next target is 100 level, or you can say 99 area. So hopefully you guys understand the crude oil market situation, that these are the levels mentioned in front of you as in the previous session, because we say that it will go in the bullish direction because crude oil make a bearish move and hit our take profit, and then make a pullback and hold above that EMA yesterday. So we suggest that now the market is bullish, and unless the market is holding above the 89.50 level, you will take the buying opportunity up to the 94.60 level. So almost the target is completed, and some, you can say, buyers exit from the market. Maybe market takes retracement and then go in the upside direction, but overall the trend is bullish in the market.